I absolutely love Flux AI, especially the Flux Dev model. But it is extremely slow, and this is where the Flux Dev NF4 comes into play. This takes only around 1 minute for a 1024 by 1024 image on my Potato PC with 12GB graphics card, whereas the Flux Dev model takes around 2 minutes per image. Also, Flux NF4 can run on a PC with as low as 6GB of VRAM. But is this really a proper alternative to the Flux Dev model? For this test, I shall be using the Stable 4 web UI. Also, I am going to skip the installation process because I already have a video with proper installation guidelines up there. Once you have set it all up, you need only one more thing, the Flux NF4 checkpoint. You can download it directly from this link in the description. I shall be using the version 2 checkpoint for this. When I compare both the models in Stable Forge, the dev model takes around 2 minutes 10 to 2 minutes 30 seconds with 1024 by 1024 image with a 12GB Nvidia graphics card. On my last test, it took around 2 minutes. So there might be some other factors in the play. At the same time, the NF4 model takes around 1 minute 20 seconds. That is a huge improvement compared to the dev model, especially if you consider that it can run on a PC with as low as 6GB of RAM. That's even more intriguing. The images when compared to side by side is pretty similar in quality. Even with highly detailed prompts, there is no way of telling if the Flux Dev model was used or the NF4 model. If you can remember, this was the shortcoming of the Flux Chanel model, that it could not really handle highly detailed prompts. So with running cost close to half of the Flux Dev model and 4 times of the Flux Chanel model, the Flux NF4 model is truly remarkable as it does no compromise in quality. And while we are having fun with the Flux model, the OG Stability AI has also released their latest model, Stable Diffusion 3.5, which is better than all of their previous model and truly outstanding in quality.